Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 2 of the May Leetcode challenge. Let's get started. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment about how you did today. Let me know what you think about the problem. Let's go. Jewels and stones. You're given strings J representing the types of stones that are jewels, and S represent the stones that you have. Each character in S is a type of stone that you have. Okay. I want to know how many stones you have are also jewels. The letters in J are guaranteed to string, and all the characters in J, S, and S are letters. Letters are case sensitive, so A is considered a different type of stone from A. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think this seems like a pretty basic problem for a Q2 of the May. Um, yeah, I mean, I think you could just do brute force in a way. I mean, okay, maybe not, but not that brute force. But given that S and J is equal to 50, or the size of S and J is equal to 50, you could do 50 square, and that would be okay. But obviously, in competitive, maybe I would even do that. But in an interview, maybe spend a little bit to kind of make it linear, and or at least effectively linear, depending on how you want to treat maps and hash tables. But that's another discussion for another time. But yeah, assuming that's the case, we just create a lookup table of a set of each character in J. So let's do that for X and J, or for yeah. All right, let's have a set. What is this called again? Jewels. Jewels is equal to set. Let's jewels dot add X. And I'm trying to be a little bit explicit. And then now for each stone we have. So okay, let's just say for jewel in jewels. For stone in S, we want to see how many stones are also jewels. Okay, and we could do this in one line, of course, but I'm gonna just try to go for it. Yeah, if stone is in jewels, then we increment the count. And that's all we have to do. Oops. And that's all we have to do. I believe, unless I'm missing something really obvious. So let's start testing. We could even start talking about complexity here. And I think they just want you to be really careful about case sensitivity. But okay, and I just test some base case, some really random cases. Though this is a one-time error. So, oh yeah, because I changed the name. That's fine. And I just wanted to test some really empty cases and stuff like this. But yeah, it looks okay. Though a lot of them are zero, so maybe that's we want to have some variety in our answers. But this seems like a pretty straightforward problem. So let's submit it. And you could probably play some code golf if you really want to kind of get it in one line or something like that, because, well, you can. Uh, yeah, because if you want to think about it in just one line, you could probably do something like return sum of, let's see, one for, yeah, one for X in S if X in J, something like that, right? And that would probably give you roughly the same thing, maybe. Um, yeah, same answer. I'm not going to try something, but yeah, so you could definitely do it in one line. Yeah. So what is the complexity here? The space is going to be O of N or O of J, O of N, where N is the number of letters in J, and let's say M is the number of letters in S. Then it's going to be an O of J or O of N, letter. For the space, and for the one time, it is just J plus S, O of J plus S for the number, you know. And yeah, and this is pretty straightforward. Definitely, if you're interviewing, if you're practicing competitive programming, it probably should not take you more than, I don't know, 10 minutes or something like that. If not, that's okay. That's not, like a judgment. It's that, these are things that you practice until you get, comfortable enough to do it in that time. And that's okay. That's all I have for this one. I mean, I mean, there are probably not going to be that many people trying to ask me for an explanation about this one. This is relatively basic. It's fundamental. It's you need to know this kind of stuff for any, pretty much everything you do, and it's very real life practical. So yeah, if you do have a question though, don't be shy, don't be, whatever. Leave a comment in the YouTube, join the Discord, leave a question, and we'll get back to it. And thanks for watching. Hopefully tomorrow will be more interesting, and I will see you then. Bye bye.